welcome back to another different video. The reason that we are I'm making this video, it's because this stove here, I've had it for over 12 years. Never gave me any issue until about 3 weeks ago. Now, when you turn the top on, the the stove, the top, it's fine because it's gas, not electric. However, the issue is when we use the oven. When we use the oven, there is a strong odor of gas. So basically, there is a leak somewhere. And so now, what I'm going to do is to check the gas line that's in the back, and to see if there's any leak, or if there's no leak in the gas line that goes into the oven or the stove, then I will know that it's the burner inside that is bad. That's where the problem is, and I will just go ahead and buy another gas range. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. But right now, like I said, the top is fine, just the burner. Now, safety is always first. So what I'll do is, for this system here, we have in the cabinet, under the cabinet, inside, and that's the main line for the gas stove, for the stove. So all we have to do is just go ahead and flip this over, and then you turn off cut off the power supply, the gas line, that the gas that goes to the stove. Now, in the back of the stove, there is a line too that I need to disconnect, but the main one is this one here. All right, this burner is it's a magic chef, and to access the gas line where it is connected to the burner, you have to remove the top. So it's very simple. All you do is just, yeah, from here you just remove the top like this. Okay, so now I removed the top, and now you can see where the gas line come from. That's from the wall back, yeah, back here. Come from, and this is it. So most newer stove, this here is it's at the end, at the bottom. But for this magic chef, it's way on top, which is really easy, make easy. So what we need to do is to go ahead and, yeah, unscrew this. So remove the gas line, and then here you see there's that connection. So I'm gonna need this, and that's an adapter, to a feeding adapter. So, but it looks like, okay, it is fine here because there's no gas odor here on top. Here, this bracket, you can see this line. It takes the gas down into the oven, and for some, I guess that's where there's a leak down there, and that's why it's we got that big smell. So I'm not gonna mess with this thing. It's over 13 years old. I'm going to buy another one, and so all I have to do when I bring the other one in, I'll just get this one out with this feeding, and then connect it to the new one. So I don't have to take this off the wall, just off this here, and then connect it to the new stove. Okay, so we have there's a new plan, a change of plan, or a change of course. So the what you're looking at right now, it's a new gas range I purchased, and the story is what I previously had is propane, and so they do not make propane anymore. It's all natural gas. So I had to get a, the natural gas range stove converted to propane, and it cost me about I think almost $200 to have the conversion done. So because they had the conversion done, so I didn't have a chance, or wouldn't have a chance for me to go ahead and connect it here, because it was part of the price. Installation was also part of the I think $190 plus $60 delivery. So, and this stove here also, I got a good deal. It's $450, but it's worth about $700 new. What happened is because this is a from a second-hand store. Now it, yeah, you can see it's because it had a little bit of damage. Brand new, but because of the little bit of damage, it looks like this was a floor. It was a display stove, or maybe it was damaged during delivery, and so yeah, so I got it for 450, and you can see brand new, never been used before. So they came here and they installed it for me, so I didn't have to mess with the gas line, anything. So this is the underneath, and you see again, you see down here, that's where the gas is connected, and they also did the conversion, so it's in the back. And I removed the grill, okay, cooking grill, and so you can see this goes like this, and that's where the plate, the pot, and or pan will sit. And so you have this here, and then okay, so this is where the flame will be coming. All right, so it's all right, it's very it's not that complicated. It's something I could have done myself, but because we had to have that conversion done, and I was in here when the guy did the conversion, so that's why I didn't film it. So that's where we are right now. So that's why I didn't do it. But again, the plan was to get another stove and then go ahead and hook it up myself. But again, since we had to have the conversion, so that's where we are. I ended up buying one, and I saved money. Okay, originally I wanted to save money, and I still save money because it's $450 versus almost $700 for this this stove. So it wasn't a complete fix, but at least I save money, and that's the deal. So if you want to get a new stove and you don't want to pay a top price for it, look for those refurbished um, stoves or oven. Okay, don't go to if you go to Lowe's or you go to Home Depot, you'll be paying retail. But look for appliance. Go to Google online and then type appliance stores, and then you can find a good deal, and that's what I did. Okay, hopefully this video helped, even though this is not it wasn't a fix, but at least it's a good idea in how to save. Okay, this is brand new, again, brand new, but I paid $450 versus $700. All right, thanks for watching.